ụmụ Chineke. Onye bụ nwa Chinemere, nwa Chinemere ka mbụ. Onye bụ nwa Chinemere, nwa Chinemere ka mbụ. Ịbụ nwa Chinemere, nwa Chinemere ka mbụ. Onye bụ nwa Chinemere, nwa Chinemere ka mbụ. Nwa Chinalụrụ, nwa Chinemere ka mbụ. Nwa Chinemere, nwa Chinemere ka mbụ. Ọ na-eburu m agha, ọ na-agwọ m ọrịa, ọ na-enye m ndụ. Nwa Chinemere ka mbụ. Asị m ọ na-eburu m agha, ọ na-enye m ndụ.
It's Saturday morning in the life of a mom and a toddler, and I want to do a little bit of cleaning in the house. This is not a deep cleaning. It's just a normal mini cleaning in the house. All right. Okay. So that is basically what I was doing in this video. All right. As you can see, I'm doing it with my toddler, and you guys saw us dancing earlier. Yes. Whenever I want to clean my house, I kind of play music, dance, and it brings my energy. It gives me the energy, to keep up with the house chores. Then when it comes to cooking, I take my bath, I refresh, and my energy comes back. Tell me on the comment section what gives you the energy whenever you want to clean the house. As a mom, what brings back your energy to do the house, to do the house chores matter buile. And yeah, guys, I did not carry this rug up. Make una no ask me why. As I said earlier, I no get strength to carry anything up. I no get strength. I just want to do small touching. So that is basically it. It's not a deep cleaning, but it can also serve you as a motivation to clean your house. You gotta go, yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the rest of the video.
We say our goodbyes and light up like fireflies, 'cause there's so many things left to explore. I don't wanna hold you back. Your heart is safe with mine, and I can't find the words to keep you, but I don't think I want to, 'cause we're living it up for love, living it up for love. Just keep living it up for love, living it up for
guys, I'm done cleaning. Oh. I'm done cleaning. This is a avocado seed. This is avocado seed. I pour hot water inside so that the thing can soak and I will drink it. I had that, and I also read that avocado seed has a lot of health benefits. Alright, so I've not blended it. It's not much, so I just have to soak it inside water. Alright, yeah. This is my first time drinking it. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate. If you have watched up to this moment, my name is Oluchi Grace and I live in Turkey with my beautiful family. You are highly welcome. Please feel free to smash the subscribe button and be a part of this family. Yeah, today is Saturday. I just did a little bit cleaning, and it's not a deep cleaning, alright? So I just, small cleaning basically, alright? So I'll be ending this video here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. To all my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for always coming back to support me on this channel. I really appreciate. God bless you all, alright? And I'll talk to you guys on my next video. Mommy, come and say bye. 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 Kiss mommy. Kiss me. Yeah, I'm bringing your tree for me to kiss you. Bye guys.